Do you want to live in the Harlow neighborhood for $500,000? That's right, you heard me right. $500,000. This is Eugene's Deal of the Week. This one is amazing, guys, and the location is absolutely prime. This charming little mid-century home is not only simply timeless architecture, but also in a prime location in the sought-after Harlow neighborhood. So let's start with the house. First, we have a spacious 1,672 square foot, 3-bedroom, 1-bath. And this home has seen some significant updates, including a newer roof, newer energy efficiency windows, recently replaced sewer line. And next, you're going to find something that you don't find often in this neighborhood. And it's a massive 0.37 acre, which is large enough to add an ADU for additional income, like a short-term rental or a medium-term rental. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact me today and we'll set up and schedule a viewing to make this dream house